Hello, welcome to Funky Class. My name is Olufunke, and here I give preschool teachings. Alright, are you a homeschool teacher or a homeschool parent? Perhaps you are an ESL teacher or in a non-English speaking country and you want to help your kids to learn at home. This is going to be highly resourceful for you. Alright, so welcome. Perhaps your kids from 3 years to like 5 years, so you can work around these major subjects. Tracing, this is basically learning pencil control learning, okay? Maths, general English, phonics, and science. Alright, so I'll be showing you some basic topics. There is more, so as we go from time to time, as we learn further, you'll see more. But for today, these are the ones I'm showing you for today. So for general English, color, classroom object, family, days of the week, month of the year, my house, my places in the house, things in the house, things in the toilet, things in the room, things in the bedroom, in the living room, stuff like that. Furniture, my pet, occupation, and tools with their offices and all that. Vehicles and occupation, stuff like that. Musical instrument, picnic at the park, let's go swimming. These are good for summer, okay? Picnic at the park, let's go swimming at the beach, happy birthday, food, countries and their flag, morning, noon and night, clothes, let's go shopping, I want to become, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, and so on. There are lots of topics under general. For science, for example, we have different topics under science, like how is the weather today? Talk about different weather of the world, seasons of the world. Under the season, talk about the features of each season. For example, in winter, we have the snowman, where we have the different features of the season. The wears, seasons and their wears. What do we wear in autumn? What do we wear in summer, in winter, and so on? Feelings, okay, as well as their games, different games for different seasons. All right. Feelings, how do you feel? Body parts, 5 senses. Animals, oh wow, this is very, very animals. You can have a lot of subtopics under the word animal, like sea animals, farm animals, wild animals, animals and their young. Uses, animals and their homes. These are different topics you can expand on, under the topic animals. Fruits and vegetables. This is also another interesting topic that you can do a lot on, Sports and seasons and their tools and their costumes, even different countries and the kind of sports they play in such country. Gadgets, bird, life cycle, solid, liquid, and gas. That is matter, right? Bugs and insects, healthy food, solar system, plants, living things and non-living things, natural resources, a lot and more and more. Phonics. Under phonics, we have tracing, letter identification, tracing A to Z, upper and lower case letters, sounds, CVC blending, vowels, consonants blend, diagraphs, 2-letter words, syllables, first sound, middle sound, ending sound, matching letters, sounds to letter to images, crosswords, and lots more, okay? Math. Under math, we have numbers. Number 1 to 10 depends on your kid, okay? Maybe 1 to 20. You take it gradually, using different techniques, which I will be talking about with teaching. I'll be showing all this as time goes on. Count and match, count and add. Shapes, telling time. Addition, 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits. Add and match, comparing. Count how many. More or less. Before, after, and between numbers. Ordinal numbers, graphing, big or small, pattern, subtraction, and lots more. Okay, so that's the first part of this video. The next is to talk about the learning styles, spicing things up, and motivation. Okay, so let's continue that.